Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to use the min heap and create a min heap from a list and then understand what are the three smallest elements in that heap for us. Okay? In order to do that, first of all, we need to create a min heap from the list. After doing that, we are having a list called nums, and here are the elements of the nums. Here, in order to convert this list into a min heap, we learned that we can use the heapify function. In parentheses, we write down the name of our list, which is nums. Then we print our min heap. So our min heap is like this: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 4. Okay? Now, in order to find the three smallest number in our min heap or in our heap, it's very easy to use the n smallest function. So we use the n smallest function, and in parentheses we write down first the number of numbers that we want to have. For example, we are looking for three smallest elements. Therefore, I write down number 3 here. And then we are going to write down the name of our heap. And this is assigned to a variable called three smallest. So it is going to assign our three smallest values in the nums heap and assign it to three smallest. Okay, and then we are printing simply the three smallest here heap in the output. So when I run this code, first of all we see the min heap, and then we see the three smallest elements of that heap, which are 1, 1, and 2. Okay, so if we wanted to have, for example, 5 smallest elements, we could simply write down number 5 there, and we could say 5 smallest element. We write down number 5 here, and we see that 5 smallest elements that are 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are being printed out in the output. This is how the n smallest function is going to help us to find simply the smallest elements that we want to find in a heap in sorted order. Thank you for watching.